Hello, all my lovely and adorable audience. Welcome back to my channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope, guys, that you must be doing great in your life. And of course, your English practice is going on great. So, today I'm gonna share something about my day today. First of all, so my dear and lovely audience, if I talk about my day, so it was quite productive day. I have just stitched my clothes and also finished lots of my household necessary household as I decided to do. So I have just done all the things productively, and right now, I am on my terrace or terrace of my hostel, and you can see my beautiful school behind me. So this is my school. This is the most beautiful place for me in this world. You know why, dear friends? As we all know very well that our work is our real worship. So in this way, our workplace is just like temple for us. My dear and lovely audience, as right now I'm making this video, and you can see this is evening time. Evening is just completely approached, and if I talk about day, so in day it was very scorching and sweltering. The sun was just beating us so hard in daytime personally. So it is not possible in afternoon or even in morning to come on terrace or to go to school ground and to make any video and all, just because the sun started just beating so hard from morning itself. So let it be, my dear friends. Today I'm here to talk something about taking risk. And you know why I have chosen this topic? So before saying something about this, I would like to let you know that from where did I get this beautiful and fantastic topic, taking risk. What is the importance of taking risk? So my dear and lovely audience, I have just read these things from a book, You Can Win, and also I have just listened to lots of audio books. So through my audio books listening practice also, I have just listened to this beautiful topic like taking risk. So as I have already told in my previous video that this world is full of opportunity, but sometimes, we are not able to take the opportunity, to grab the opportunity. So why? Just because we are not able to take risk, we are just afraiding so much to take risk. So if I'm talking about something on taking risk, so I would like to relate this to our English. As you know, I am also learner in English, and I am also learning English just like you. I am not saying that I am very beginner, because I can't say like this. Right now, I am able to express my opinion, my thought in front of anyone easily. It means that I am not very beginner, and also I am not very good and advanced level speaker. But yes, whatever I am just happy and content about me and about my English. And little by little I'm learning, and also I'm just rectifying my mistake over time. So my dear friends, why we are not able to grab the opportunity, and why some people, some others just grab the opportunity of our hand, just because we are afraiding, we are getting scared to take risk. We are as if I relate this to English. So in English, what happens sometimes, we want to stay only in our comfort zone like in our mother tongue, and we don't want to open our mouth, we don't want to take risk for opening our mouth for English speaking. So my dear friends, I want to tell only one thing: if you don't take risk, if you don't open your mouth, so how can you grab the opportunity? How can you grab the opportunity like to speak English? If I talk about myself, so in my initial day I was also just scaring a lot. Why? Just because I was thinking only one thing, like I was scaring. Why? Just because I didn't want to take a risk, I didn't want to be mocked by others. So you must be also doing the same, I know. So you have to just take risk, and you have to step forward. Until you take risk, you can't see yourself fluent in English. I think, look, this is now dark is going to approach. So taking risk, I'm not telling you to do something foolish thing like to go and jump into river and to gamble, not like this. If I talk about myself, so look guys, if I didn't if I hadn't started my journey, and if I hadn't started my speaking practice, if I would stayed in my comfort zone only, so what would have happened with me? Just suppose I would have not been able to speak English like this as I'm speaking right now. So for getting something, we have to sometime take risk. So my dear and lovely audience, in short, I would like to say one thing, that get yourself ready to take risk in your life and to grab the opportunity. Don't let others to take the opportunity of your hand. So let me say bye now, because it's dark is approaching now, and you can see the very beautiful trees and everything. Temple is also looking so beautiful, and my school, it's also looking beautiful. And you know guys, this my school and my this temple of Lord Shiva, both are my most favorite place. So now guys, I'm just going downstairs, and in short, ultimately, I would say only one thing: just get yourself ready to take risk and be fluent in English. Bye bye. Take care.